Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Hey everyone, it's Logica here, and I decided that because school's starting soon, realized that I'll probably never finish my game at this rate, so I'm going to try and finish my game in 1 week. And so this is gonna be my setup. Got my computer here. Some of you have been asking me what I'm using. I'm using Unity, which is a game engine. And it's my game. I'm like halfway done right now, probably a little bit more than halfway.
Tell me you'll be on real soon.
Here's my documentation book. How is Unity still not open yet? I use it to keep track of what I'm doing and the lag. I got my highlighters, and then we got my book. It used to be like, I tried to make it a journal, but this, but then I turned it into notebook for my game development. And these are my bugs, which I have a lot of. I write them down when I'm going through my game and it's failing, and then this is my documentation. I haven't really added much to this. This is mostly for if I forget like what I'm doing for the next day. So that's pretty much it. A tour of this. We have this scene here. Over here we have the characters, and so let me play it to show how the rooms work. So you see each one of these rooms. Alright, so see, like, these are the rooms. You can move around, the camera moves around there. And the thing that controls them is up here, this huge chunk of blocks. It's kind of inefficient, but I mean, it does the job, so. And now over here is my flow chart. Okay, that's my flow chart, and this is where I like put some of my scripting. It's like when you click something, then stuff will happen, and it's like a visual programming language, and it's really easy to understand. So I use it at first, and over here I keep my project and console folders. So this is where all my assets are, right here, like my animations, audios, fonts, scripts, all that stuff. And console is like where it's like where it logs stuff. And over here is the inspector. I edit a lot of stuff here. Everything that's over here is edited in here. And here's my hierarchy, which I also edit in the inspector. So that's just a breakdown of my setup in Unity, and I should probably get to working now. I wrote down a few of the bugs from yesterday. Major glitches. Oh, right. So I asked a question on Fungus's forum. 6-1, not 7-1. 6-1. It'll be 7-0. No, it'll be 6-1. 6-1. Right, and here is what I was planning on my Game Pass to be right here. It's pretty small. And alright, I finished one, but it's not completely done. I asked why a dialogue wasn't fading. So that wasn't very helpful, the form answer. So I think I'll just have to do this my own way. Can I even see myself here? I think this will work. And I'll also get something started.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
So I finished one of the artworks for one of the endings. It's making the contrast look really bright, but it's not actually this bright. So I think this scene will be where you use the hack-ish method, the program, to get the wind. So I'll just send that to myself. Modeling those acids. So that's just something like right now. The worst yandere simulator, acids analyze and fix. I should be working on my game though, so.
Cause space makes me sad.
So now I'm going to go to my acids and find the script. If you don't know, I've mostly been working in the flowchart right now to the actual coding, kind of. I mean, low-key there was code there too, but this is my code, and I can give a little overview on it. It is only 292 lines long, and you got a lot of objects here, and then got like a few methods there. And then here's my update function. Don't worry, it's not 8,000 lines of code long. It's only like 100. Only 100, yes. And don't worry, there's like 3 if statements, and the rest are switches. So that's good. Hopefully, yeah. And then we've got this. This is like the main input thing. So it's kind of like a loop because you switch, and if you get something, if it doesn't get the thing, then you go back to this, and this is a main switch statement, and basically like cases, which is what you input in the program thing that I added into the game. You might know it if you've played the beta and got to that section, although the beta was very buggy, so it's unlikely that you got there. I mean, unless if I told you to go there. Here's the code, and this is where I execute all the blocks from the flowchart, so that way specific things will happen. Like that line of code executed all the blocks over here. And my camera is dying, so I will charge it and then come back and also record a time lapse of my coding.
Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why
making a new scene for the ending. I mean, not for another ending. So I just completed an ending, kind of. There's still a few little things I need to fix. And this is what I'm currently working on. This will be like a good ending, I guess, kind of. So I finished 2. Let me just check my book. Let's see. It looks like I have one ending left. Although I wrote one called Big Loss, and I don't really know what that means. So, oh wait, I know. 2 endings left technically. 2 endings, yeah. But only one where I have to draw another scene. The other ones I can just use the assets that I already have made. Yeah. So I'll check in later, I guess. Oh, that was cringe. Yeah.
Space makes me sad.
Alright, so I just finished the art for the ending scene, and oh my goodness, it took me so long. It took me like, I don't even know how long. But anyways, here it is. And I have to email these to myself because I don't have, like, this is one of the scenes. Ooh. Yeah. And I was just thinking about, like, the plot, but more like, what plot? So I'll be working on that still. I feel like I've made pretty good progress today. I fixed, like, whatever I fixed, some of the bugs from the other ending, and then I made a new ending. I still have 2 more endings, I think. One more ending that I need to draw for, and then the other one I don't.
She said her favorite color yellow.
So hey guys, I finished 2 endings, so now I'm gonna be working on sound effects and getting everything, you know, like, together, polishing everything up. And I just started recording because I jump scared myself. So what I wanted to do was to check out why, like, the menu buttons. I'll show you. So I just click play, and then, you know, the regular stuff. Let me just wait a few seconds. Where is everyone? Okay, that's all I needed. See how I hover over the menu, yet none of it like changes color, even though it's supposed to. So what I need to do is look over here. Is this blocking it? Okay, no, this isn't the one blocking it. All of these are turned off, so I just need to check, like, what's blocking it. Okay, that's the dialogue. So that wouldn't change anything. Is it the stage? If I turn off stage, hey, my mouse changed.
Good on her dress, trying to be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love. Her heart was broken. Wonder if you're so.
Oh, and in case you were wondering, like, why I'm checking every single one of these, let me just mute my audio. It's because, remember how I said that there was the forums that I go onto? Well, yeah, this Wolf Rug admin responded saying it's very likely other UI elements blocking it, which is why I'm looking for the other UI element, and I can't seem to find it. I mean,
Even notice it burns in July, and it felt like a dream, but a dream is the best.
Still doesn't work. I literally have everything unclicked at this point. Let's see, and it's still not. Oh, no. Alright, I'll come back when I fix this problem. If I can fix this problem. It's so sad.
I realized when I woke, I just want you, yeah, yeah. I just want you, yeah.
Oh, do you want to make a cameo?
No.
Alright, so I think I will end my day 1 of making a video, finishing my video game here. I haven't found the answer to my menu dialogue problem, but I think I will eventually. And I'll probably run some tests in the meantime to figure out why menu dialogues aren't working. But yeah, see you tomorrow.
You made a move, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, it's day 2 of making a game. My meeting just ended, so it's time to look at what I need to do. So, add some UI moving thing. Okay. Looks too slow. 61. Okay, I fixed all of those. Seal, click, not good. You can still move. Okay, that's important. In case messed up. I think I already messed up camera. Huh. What am I even trying to say? I did this bug. Okay, what? Louise doesn't appear. She appears now. This one still doesn't work. I did this with. Hopefully this one's gone. Let's go too slow. Okay. Oh yes, and what happens when I close the program. Okay. Cannot do no tutorial. Well, you can't. Nope. Nope. Alright. Okay, I got all of these. So, I'm trying to decide if I should avoid my problems and make another path, or if I should actually deal with my problems, which I really don't want to.
Think back, it was me and you drive to the city. No makeup, still pretty. Cruising, hey, you got the stereo on. Hair up, looking like a million. Limos got you in your feelings, yeah. Messed up, y'all not get it, yeah. Is that none of my business? She said, come on, you should be leaving to California. Yeah, you got.
So I've been working on my last scene. Bookshelves, so trippy. It's too lazy to actually draw every single book, and so that's why it looks like this. Like, wow. But anyways, yeah, this is going to be the library kind of, but like separate part. You'll see.
I probably should've warned you, but now I think I'm staying. Tell me, what was it you're saying? She said her favorite color yellow, and it looked good on her dress. Trying to be slim thick, nothing.
Alright, so I finished my last and final ending, and here comes my least favorite part, which is playing the game. I have the idea in my head, and I know what I'm trying to do, but once I get into game, everything fails. Let's see, I don't want to give too many spoilers. I managed to fix my buttons, which is, I think, really good. Now they work. Alright. Now let's see. because I always pick like the wrong things. And I still have a problem where like you can't leave or something. I'm not exactly sure. Oh. Like you can't leave when you exit out of the program, which is so annoying. I think I'm gonna make like backgrounds for this. Oh shoot. Okay. Got a bug. Let me just mute the audio, it's really distracting me. It's a good song though. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. For the third time now. Because the first two times the first time I just messed up because I wasn't sure what I was doing. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna pick don't. And it doesn't work. Haha. I'm so good at this. Just kidding. Alright.
Heart was broken. Do summertime crushes even notice? A little bit too kind, she a little bit too emotional. Cry your heart out. Let me know what's going on. I'll make you feel mellow. You just gotta let go. We'll build it up like Lego.
I did it. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, gotta ignore this. Then what happened? Oh, what? I forgot to even connect. Why? Call here.
So you want it on 100, I'ma keep it on 100. So you want it on 100, I'm keeping it on 100.
Work. Thanks. Okay, vote. I just need it. I need to get past this part and win.
You could do this on your own, girl.
Oh, what? No. I messed up. And this is stuck on the screen. Wait for fade when done. Yes. Getting a ton of messages.
Did it all alone, but I know some nights get heavy. Put it on me, I'm ready. Whatever it is, I carry, I got it.
Okay. And now. Oh shoot. It didn't work. I did it. Oh, what? And now this doesn't work? So, alright, so right theater doesn't work. If backroom access is 0. Oh, because I made backroom access 0. Yeah, I know. Exit theater, face rate, backroom. No, wrong place.
Set a favorite color yellow, and it look good on a dress. Whether slim, thick or not, you're still pretty nonetheless. Don't go falling, though your heart is broken. Summertime crushes never noticed. A little bit too kind, little bit too much.
Nothing. Okay. Backroom access has to be greater than or equal to 2. To 1. Right? Equal 1. So this must be greater than or equal to 1. I've spent 10 minutes doing this. Alright, I'm gonna take a little arm break now.
Cry your heart out, let me know what's going on. I'll make you feel mellow. When you see it
I just ran through a playthrough of my game and, well, things did not go as planned. And my brain is kind of fried right now. I have one really big issue in my game that's kind of stopping everything from happening. So I'm gonna like draw a little bit. I've been working on this. Then I will get back into game making. I was editing like just a few hours ago and I got inspired kind of. Well, more like I was thinking about my problems so much that I felt like I had to come back to it. And I realized something. Okay. I realized a few important things. Like, one, every single time I move this camera, there are like really loud sounds that are super annoying and they destroy my ears. So I'm gonna try not to do that anymore. And also, I realized that I talk really like not clearly. All my words get mixed together and it's even difficult for myself to understand what I'm even trying to say when I'm editing. So I'll try and work on articulating my speech better. Yeah, and so I was planning on, so there's a problem in my code whenever I open a program thing that's part of my game. It works, but then when I close it in the middle of like something, everything like stops and nothing goes back to like what I need it to be. For example, the backgrounds fade, but then they don't fade back when I close it. And so I'm gonna have to try and implement something that'll make everything go back to the way it was before the camera thing closed. And this would have been so much easier if I had actually like did the right code for make something fade or something. And yeah, I didn't do that because I didn't really know how, and instead I did it all manually, which is causing me problems now, but I think I'll be able to get through it. Also, the menu dialogue thing. I just did a lot of testing and I found out that if I just copied and pasted the one that actually worked, then it just works. And I don't really know why, but I mean, at least it's working. Okay, so this will finally be my last video of the day. And I must say, I'm really proud of one of the cutscenes I made yesterday. Well, it's not really a cutscene, it was one of the endings. It was the ending that I was drawing yesterday, with the one with the seal. Yeah, but like, wow, I feel like just happy, like it's finally working. I finally got to it without encountering like 50,000 bugs. Still have a ton of bugs though. Let me show. You know, I already have 2 pages. This is my new page of bugs. Yeah, not too great, but it's getting there. Tomorrow I'm going to be going to school. And yeah, so I really hope that I'll be able to finish this. All I have left is just a few like touch-up things. No more story or plot. Oh wait, I haven't tested one of my other endings. Maybe I should do that now. Or tomorrow. Yeah. Just the last few polishes. Maybe this will definitely take a few days. And then I can start working on marketing my game, creating the website design for the game, getting gifts, building it, checking the Mac version. Also have to do the sound effects, work on the settings, probably make an endings page. Yeah, there's so much I still have to do, but I mean, there's always some more I could do. I'm just glad that I finished, like, you know, the main part. And if you want to be a bug tester for my future games, you can join my Discord. Link is in the description. Yeah. And I just talk on there sometimes.
if I release my game, I always put it out on there first before I go on my Instagram or TikTok. Alright, so that'll be the end of day 2. See you tomorrow. It's day 3 of finishing my game in 1 week, and today's actually my first day of school, kind of. And so I wanted to show you this new setup that I have. It's my Mac and PC. So I got this program where you can transfer your mouse. Oh, right now my mouse is gone. Where's my mouse? Oh, it's over here. My mouse is over here. But if I move it slowly, it comes over here. And the keyboard works too. So just slowly. There we go. Yay! And this way I'll be able to work on my game on this one. Alright, so I'm in class over here and working over here. Although, technically I'm not really in class. I'm just looking for my method in my script. I'm pretty sure it's called close program. Okay, well now I know. And I should probably be paying attention, so I will finish this and then head back to this.
Light turns to dust. I'm down to nothing. I am no longer in control.
Say hi to the TikTokers, Grace.
TikTok? Huh? Wow, fancy camera.
Yeah, I'm bringing out my camera. This will be for a TikTok.
What? Remember that time you were like dissing the base ed?
Oh yeah, on camera.
On camera?
No wonder I didn't get reelected.
I hate the base ed.
Okay, but I still stand by my opinions.
And the light hurt my head.
They're bad though. The day set isn't good. Horror. I'm looking for sound effects.
For what?
Oh, for my game that I'm trying to finish it like by tomorrow.
What I don't understand is why can't we all just be quarantined on the same floor? Like everyone on the floor. Like why do we have to like just be with our roommates?
Well,
yeah, wait, whoa.
Wait, I think you'll be quarantined with them once the quarantine period ends.
Over my shoulder, I feel it get colder. I'm told that I should offer my soul. Then all at once I feel my eyes roll back in time to see.
Alright, so I just finished class and now I'm gonna work on my game. Right now, I'm mostly like polishing it up, doing sounds and stuff. So I'm going to make a sound right here. I use Audacity to edit sound. Isn't it incredible that we're both vegan? Okay, let me just read this. Isn't it incredible that we're both vegan? I can't believe we've actually gotten vegan and vegan. Please, I'm sorry. Come on, just have them salad. Yeah, you need more plant foods, vegetables, and fruits. I'm sorry.
I can't change the things I've done so.
Really, I don't understand a single word I'm saying. Okay, I'll just cut out this first part out. All my breaks I will be editing out. Where's my reverb to sound good? See, let's do a little bit of distortion. What does it sound like? Alright, I'll put some bass on. Ooh. Sounds kind of scary, but you know what? Let's export it. MP3. What should I call it? I'll call it talking. Okay, and that's how I make audio. Although I don't make most of my audio, I take copyright free stuff and then obviously I credit it. I have a document right here. I can't see it, but here is me crediting all my sources. And I'll include a link to this probably in the credits or something. I am going to add that to my say dialogue. So I have a say dialogue over here in my canvas. Where's my say dialogue one? Because I feel like it's not lined up. There we go. These mouse cursors are looking quite interesting. Too big, I think.
Show me love, put me under. When I'm drunk, I call your number. You show up late, I'm not bothered. I had to wait.
What? I can't talk to Oliver after the third time. Where's the friend? It's my friend Oliver. Do I want to talk to him?
Now you take me away and all at once I feel my eyes roll back in time to see my life, and I can't change the things I've done, so all I have is an earth seizure. All alone, I drift into another zone. The devil that you know is better than the devil that you don't.
Let me find my... right here. This is what my normal mouse looks like. This is what a circle mouse looks like. And now I'll be creating an arrow mouse. So see you when I finish that. Hello, I am currently redesigning the front page to a new... It used to be this. I kind of don't like it, and plus my art style low-key doesn't even look like this. So yeah, I'm also attending a Zoom meeting right now. Yep, it's like for a club or something for art. So yeah, I'm working on this.
Devil that you don't, oh the devil that you all alone. I drift into another zone. The devil devil that you know is better than the devil that you don't. Oh, the devil that you don't know, the devil that you don't.
So I finished the main menu scene, and I've been just reading up on some documentation about videos in Unity because I feel like a video will be good for what I'm trying to do here. I think I'll call it a day for now. Tomorrow's going to be my first day of like actual classes, so my progress will definitely slow, although I've mostly finished my game right now. Yeah, so wish me luck, school. Today is day 4 of finishing the game, and one thing's for certain is that I'm definitely not halfway finished with it. I mean, maybe I'm halfway finished with the game dev, but like, I don't think I am. Yeah, and it's 5 p.m, so it's kind of a late start today because I had class, first day of school, lots of zooming that the speakers are. I'm gonna tap around, let's see. I think they're here. Alright, so what I just did was I fixed the menu. Now, I can make this sound. Work. Hooray! So that's nice. I still have to use this main mixer over here in my other scene. But other than that, it should be fine. It's time for me to put together the title scene. It's gonna be playing on loop in the background of Unity. This is how I usually edit in Premiere Pro. It sounds so dead. Which I kind of completed. It's got this like looping video. Kind of strange, but I think it looks pretty cool. And then I've got my begin settings. And for some reason, the settings actually works now. Hooray. We also got the about and quit, which obviously doesn't work. And the about menu, which brings you here, and each one of these you can click on, so I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that'll be it for day 4. I definitely didn't do as much today, at least I didn't record as much today because, you know, school day. I have 3 days left, well, more like, yeah, 3. And I think I won't publish my game by the end of these 7 days. I'll probably publish it like next week or something. But I'm so close to being done. I could probably publish it by Monday next week, but not sure. Anyways, goodbye. 5th day, and it's actually 8:41 p.m. right now, so I forgot to record a lot. Turns out my game had a lot more bugs than I expected it to. My sister was bug testing. So it's day 5 of working on my game, and I'm gonna have a celebration right now because I finally fixed a bug that took me 2 hours to debug, and like all of yesterday too. What was happening was this. I have my game here, right? My main menu. And then I click play. The button's supposed to be here, the play button. And then I load into my next scene. And then see this is a problem. Was that there was no like those circles behind, so that way you could see which one to pick. And yeah, the reason for that is because when I did my background, my title screen, the thing is that this video player, it was rendered on the camera near plane, and I assume that's also where the buttons from the menu dialog on the other screen were rendered, so it like interfered or something. And all I have to do is switch it to material override. I like wanted to quit because I couldn't find out what was wrong. Also, why is this first one not working? It's yellow. Oh, what? Oh. Ha ha. It's kind of funny. Yeah, anyways, I'll get to fixing this. But this is my search history. Menu dialog. Fungus. Menu dialog not working. Okay, but now it's time to build my game. I'm creating a final beta right now. It's gonna be secret. Please don't share this with anyone. Yeah, it's downloadable.